Top 10 biggest dairy farms in California. Which are the biggest dairy farms in California? Let's take a look at 10 of the most well-known and largest dairy operations across the state. 10. Strauss Family Creamery, Marshall, California. The first certified organic dairy farm west of the Mississippi. They focus on sustainable practices and reusable packaging, and they've been a leader in organic milk since the start. 9. Fiscalini Farms, Modesto, California. Known for artisanal, award-winning cheeses like aged cheddar, this family-owned farm has been producing top-quality milk for generations. 8. Young's Dairy, Wildomar, California. A full farm-to-bottle operation. They grow their own feed and avoid synthetic hormones. Everything is done on-site to keep it fresh and natural. 7. Scott Brothers Dairy, Chino, California. A family-run farm with more than 1,000 cows. They supply milk, cream, and frozen dessert bases to other brands in Southern California. 6. Airdrie Farms, near Hillmar, California. Founded in 1967, this farm houses about 5,000 cows. It combines large-scale production with a focus on animal care and efficiency.